Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn filter function, which is a new function and available only in Excel 365. The filter function filters a range of data based on the supplied criteria and returns an array of matching records. If no matching data found, it returns hash calc error. Filter function takes three parameters where first two parameters are mandatory. The first parameter is the array or range of values that you want to filter. The second parameter is the Boolean array, and here we specify the criteria on the basis of which the data is filtered. The third parameter is the default value, which is returned when no matching data found. Now in this example, to filter the data based on city, type equals to filter, open bracket, select the range from A2 to D14, comma. The second parameter is the criteria. So to show the data where column C contains Delhi, select C2 to C14 equals to and type Delhi in double quotes. Closing bracket and press enter. The function will return an array having data where city is Delhi. To show the names for which bonus is greater than 1000, type equals to filter, open bracket. Now select A2 to A14 because we want to show only the names, comma. For condition, select D2 to D14 greater than 1000. Closing bracket and press enter. The function will return array of the names where bonus is greater than 1000. Now in the same function, change 1000 to 5000. Press enter. Now the function will return hash calc error because no matching value found. To handle the error, we can use the third parameter, type comma, and in the third parameter, type no data found in double quotes. Now press enter. Now the function will return no data found. To apply the multiple conditions, for example, to show the data for red group and Delhi city, type equals to filter, open bracket. Now select the data array from A2 to D14, comma. Now for the first criteria, select B2 to B14 equals to red in double quotes. Now put the condition in the bracket, asterisk sign, open bracket for the second condition. Now for second condition, select C2 to C14 equals to Delhi in double quotes, closing bracket for second condition, closing bracket for filter, press enter. Now the result is showing the data where city is Delhi and the group is red. To apply the OR logic between these two conditions, we need to replace asterisk sign by the plus sign. So to apply the OR condition, type equals to filter, open bracket, select the range from A2 to D14, comma. For the first condition, select B2 to B14 equals to red in double quotes. Put the condition in the bracket, plus sign for second condition in the bracket, select C2 to C14 equals to Delhi. Closing bracket for filter. Press enter. Now the function is showing data where city is Delhi or group is red. So in this way, you can use filter function in Excel 365. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notifications on time. Thanks for watching.